We begin on the FlowSense homepage, positioning the platform as an industry-specific ERP built for manufacturing excellence. The page highlights purpose-built solutions for sectors like steel, process, healthcare, automotive, and aerospace, with clear actions to calculate ROI or request a demo. Trust badges and certification queues reinforce that this is designed for serious operational environments.
Now we are inside the Textile Flow application, starting with the Analytics dashboard. At a glance, teams can monitor key production and sales indicators like total indents, thans, meters, value, active clients, and average order value. The trend chart and product mix visualization help managers quickly spot demand patterns and make better planning decisions. This screen shows the new indent workflow, where an operator can create a fresh order without relying on spreadsheets or back-and-forth messages. The form captures client details, dates, status, notes, and product line items, while the live summary on the right keeps totals visible as items are added. This helps reduce entry errors and turns each customer request into a structured, production-ready record. Here we move to the indent registry, which centralizes every indent in one searchable and filterable view. Users can narrow records by client, status, salesperson, product line, and date range, then review each order's lines, thans, value, and current state. This gives operations and sales a shared source of truth for tracking what has been confirmed and what still needs action. The client compilation view brings confirmed demand together across clients and products. Instead of manually combining orders, the system summarizes quantities in a matrix, so planners can see exactly which products are needed, by whom, and in what volume. This is especially valuable for batching, procurement, loom planning, and avoiding missed requirements. Finally, the FlowSense contact page makes it easy for interested teams to start a conversation. Visitors can reach the sales team directly or send a message with their company details, expected timeline, and requirements. If you are ready to streamline textile operations from inquiry to planning, book a demo today.